Hey everyone, welcome to HTML Zero to Hero YouTube series where we are learning about HTML from the scratch. In our last video we created our first HTML document, and in this tutorial we will be learning about HTML elements. Before we proceed to the tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comments what you like about the video and what you didn't like about the video so I can improve more. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. Now let's define what is tag. So we can understand like this. So that's an example of a tag, and in between we have content. Just like the h1 tag which we added in our first HTML document. So we'll always be having a tag name and closing it with slash, and in between we'll add the content of that particular tag. Like h1 we have some more basic tags like p, which is for paragraph, and BR for the line break. So these are the most basic tags, most basic elements of the HTML, which we will be using pretty often to create our HTML documents and to create the website. So whenever we will be adding any elements, we cannot skip the ending tag. So for example, if I add my first heading and remove the ending tag, and now if I save the document and see the preview, it won't work. Let's take a look at this. We have h1, my first heading, and then we create a paragraph. It will confuse our HTML that which content is h1 and which content is the paragraph. Now if I save the document, let's see what happens. Now if you can see, it's taking both of it as the heading, not the paragraph which it should take. Now if we end these tags with the proper method by adding slash, HTML will understand that what is the paragraph and what is the heading. Now let's save the document again. Going back to the document, hit refresh, and now HTML is rendering properly with the heading and the paragraph. Another element which we are discussing is the BR, which is used for the line break. We can add in between the paragraphs. So for example, we have a lengthy paragraph, and we need to add a line break. Here, what we're gonna do, we will add the BR in between the paragraph to get the line break. Now let's save the document again. Preview the document. Hit refresh. Here we go. We have the line break after lengthy, and if we remove it, it will be one single line. One other thing with HTML that it is not case sensitive. So for example, if we add the starting tag in capital case, it will work the same. So HTML is not case sensitive, but it's recommended to use the lowercase in all of the elements. So that's it for the HTML elements introduction. In the next video, we'll be discussing some more elements and the attributes, HTML attributes. Till then, have a great day.